Join us today at Zimmerman Art Glass for an amazing glass blowing experience. Hey guys, here we are in our hometown, Corydon, Indiana, at Zimmerman Art Glass. I'm going to go in and make my own pumpkin today. I get to actually blow the glass. Zimmerman Art Glass is a multi-generational art glass company. The Zimmerman family moved here in the 1880s from France. The Zimmerman family moved from North Vernon, Indiana to Corydon, Indiana in 1923, and they pivoted from making chimney glass to making art glass. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm gonna blow a glass pumpkin, something I've never done before, so here we go. This is Terri Zimmerman, and he's preparing and getting things ready for the pumpkin making. I had chosen the color orange, and he was asking if I wanted a solid color or a mixture, so he showed me some examples. After looking at all of the examples, I chose to have a solid orange pumpkin. Terri said that this particular orange glass came from Germany. He first has to get a rod and heat it up.
My name's Terri Zimmerman. We're here today at Zimmerman Art Glass with the Blow Your Own Pumpkin event. We'll be doing it for about 5 weeks here till the end of October. You can go on our website there at artzglass.com or our Facebook page, which is Zimmerman Art Glass Business, and you can sign up. Do either one of them there, and it's a lot of fun. So make an appointment and come on down.
You could use the foot pedal to blow the glass, or you could use the mouthpiece and actually blow your own air into the pumpkin, which is what I chose. So I cleaned it off with an alcohol wipe.
The small one, they brought it out in that color. Do them silent like this though, you can't see the bubble come up in there. You really got to kind of pay attention to the movement of the glass. That's how we're going to judge it. It was literally hanging on. I'll tell you, to see that bubble right up in here. Say, first 30 years I worked here, that's all we ever did was solid pumpkin, just like this. Didn't do any other color. Just did orange with every year. Stem up, straight stem, no twisted stem or anything. She wanted me to make her pumpkin. She said, yeah, sure, I love that. And so anyway, I said, what color you want it? She looked at me like I was nuts. She was going orange, of course. And I said, well, I just asked you because pink and green, I know it's your favorite color. And she's like, oh, okay, well, I'll take a pink and green one. That's how we started making it. And we started doing them in all different colors. All right, so let's round this up. Let me get this hooked up here. We'll see if we can't get a little bubble started. Hang on just a second. All right. So go ahead and start blowing on it. I'm over here. You tell me when on this. Get it going. This is the hard part. This is the working part of it. I can see it barely down there. Keep going. All right. Stop right there. Good job. All right. Very good. Especially now, you can also tell the colors. See how the colors have gotten larger. They were little pieces. And that stretched them out. Makes them almost looks like stained glass, you know, where they're almost leaded. Looks like they're leaded in, where they're in pieces. All right, so let's let that cool. Then we'll go back and get us another layer of glass over that. Put that next layer over there and trap that on the inside. And that's how all the colors designed. Everything gets on the inside through those layers of clear glass. Okay.
That's why I wanted a solid one.
Very good. Well, we have people do orange Christmas ornaments.
Really?
Believe it or not, yeah. Yeah. So let's make it look a little bit like a pumpkin with the ribs in it. Alright, so we're going to cut our little stress line here, just above the head of that iron rod. That's so we can get it off there when it's finished. Now I'm going to hook you back up. Start blowing it just a little bit. Let me get it round just a little bit. Alright, go ahead and start, Terry. I'm blowing a little bit. Keep going. Stop there for a second. Well done. Right there. I'm going to get a little heat. I'm going to shape it.
It was so interesting to watch this process from start to finish. The color actually doesn't look really orange here, but it's because the heat of the glass at the time. Once it cools, it's a bright orange.
If I stop moving that rod, it's still moving pretty fast, still got a lot of heat. A lot of them things will stay hot, but we had a lot of glass on that. That's why it's not that big. The more mass you get, the more heat it's going to hold. So yeah, it's really good though. That orange we use when we do a solid one. Sometimes the other one, the Kokomo orange that we get from there, sometimes they can get a little color crack in them. And so, not always, but sometimes. But on the blow your own, we always use that, and that's out of Germany, that color. It's a really good color too. It's fancy. That's good. Do you really? My stamp in there with my name, but we also use this one. That's a stamp we had made up for like friends of mine to come in here. They always want to try to make something. Always use that stamp because that shows it was made by you. But that shows it was made of Zimmerman art glass, but not my personal glass name Zimmerman. And I had that stamp made, I don't know, back probably 10, 12 years ago, maybe 15 years ago. Alright, so let's go get you a stamp. Yeah, nice stamp.
So now he's working on the stem, which he will put onto the pumpkin here in just a moment.
Both pieces, the pumpkin's still sitting there close to 1,000 degrees. They'll stick right together.
It was usually a heated jam or something like that. I guess people did. And I get this exploded.
I'm going to cut that heavy, thick I should say, because we're going to want to stretch it.
he says he's going to put the pumpkin to bed, and that's because it has to cool slowly or else it will explode. And here is the final product. It's so pretty. And here's some other things that they make at Zimmerman Art Glass. What a great experience this was. And here's some examples of other pumpkins that have been made. We asked about the bear that was in their display room, and they told us that one of the Zimmermans went on a bear hunt, and this was the result. We highly recommend Zimmerman Art Glass. If you'd like to see more of our videos, click the video that just popped up on your screen